Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name is Charlotte and today we'll be taking around this approved used 2025 Volkswagen Polo R line that does come complemented in the modernised Smokey Grey Paintwork for that sleek edge. Housing your 1 litre TSI engine and efficient automatic transmission, delivering 115 PS, it is an ideal nippy city runaround or perfect as a first car. With plenty of top features including your LED headlights for enhanced visibility, upgraded 17-inch York alloys and the protection of your power folding wing mirrors. The boot offers enough space to easily accommodate all of your daily essentials with an extra storage pocket below for your spare wheel. And moving into the rear, you will find absolute comfort with a full cloth upholstery with access to your central power outlets, followed in the front by the convenience of your multifunctional steering wheel, central touch display and your art embroidered badging. Moving on to the steering wheel in further detail, you will find an array of audio functions including controls to navigate around your digital cockpit, displaying vital driving data and even your assist systems and navigation system. Moving across, you do have similar access again with your App Connect and variation of audio with your navigation for unfamiliar areas. And of course you do have your on-screen vital driving data with the activation of your parking sensors whilst manoeuvring, easily guiding you to those tricky parking spots. For further comfort, you do also have your on-screen dual climate controls with your main touch buttons located below with your 2 front heated seats for the winter, alongside a wireless charging pocket, power outlets and central cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.